Hey guys, it's Sandy, and in today's nail art tutorial, I'm going to be doing some highly requested Pokemon Go nails. I'll show you how you can easily create a Pokeball design along with the Team Instinct, Valor, and Mystic symbols. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below for new nail videos twice a week. Also, if you're addicted to Pokemon Go like I am, let me know down in the comments which team you chose and what level you're on. I'm currently on level 20 and I chose Team Instinct. But don't worry, I love you guys regardless of which team you chose. Also, let me know what your strongest Pokemon is. Mine is currently this Vaporeon. This video is a collab with my fellow Canadian and good friend Christine. You might remember her from my last vlog. She has an awesome nail art comedy channel here on YouTube called Simply Nailogical, and she's obsessed with everything holographic. So she created this super fun hollow Pokeball design. Go check it out and subscribe to her by clicking the info card. She's also selling these amazing hollow shirts, so make sure to go snag one of those as well because they're limited edition. Now let's get into the tutorial. Start off with a base coat to protect your natural nails. This will help to adhere your manicure to your nail bed, and it will also help to protect your nails from staining. Next, you will need a white nail polish for the base color. Add 2 thin coats of white over all of your nails. Once you've finished that, you can go in with a small brush and nail polish remover to fix up the line between the polish and your cuticle for a perfect finish. Now you will need to add a fast-drying top coat over your ring, middle, and index nails. This is so the polish will be completely dried before we add the Pokemon Go team logos. To add the team logos easily, you will either need tattoo paper or water decal paper. I picked up this pack of tattoo paper from a local arts and crafts store. To use this special type of paper, just print the design you want on your nails using a printer like so. To apply, peel the clear part of the tattoo off, and then place the image face down on your nail. Use a paper towel soaked with water to transfer the image over to your nail. Just press it on for 10 seconds or so until the image transfers. Press down any pieces of the tattoo that aren't secured onto the nail. Then go ahead and add on the other team logos. Another design idea is that you just add your personal team logo to your ring fingers and then paint the rest of your nails using your team's color. To finish this manicure, I decided to add Pokeballs to my pinky and thumbnails. To do so, just take a red polish and color in the top half of your nail. Don't worry about having a clean horizontal line where the red meets the white in the middle. We will be using a black striper to draw a line across the middle of the nail so that it will hide the messy red behind it. Then just use a big dotting tool to add a black dot in the middle, and then take a smaller dotting tool to add a small white dot inside of the black one. Once you've finished your manicure, you can top it all off with a fast-drying top coat. This will seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. And that's it! I hope you guys enjoyed these easy and fun Pokemon Go nails. Thanks so much for watching, take care, and I'll see you next time!